We're on the south side. The original shop, we were on this side before. We transferred over to that side where we're at right now. So, got the OG V1 full send. That's where all the builds originated from. Rome's shit was built here. His shit was built here. A whole bunch of other V's were built here. That's Fidel's GTO. He's gonna be swapping 6.0 into it. He's a 5.7 right now. Motor's still in it, so right stuff. Yeah, so we're gonna be getting that on film pretty soon. The 6.0 is, I don't know where it's at. It was somewhere back there, but that's Fidel. Oh, here you go. This is 6.0 right here.
So yeah, so we're relocating some stuff, putting 2 down cars in this corner, and Fidel's gonna finish up his GTO on the slopes.
Bet. All right, you getting ready to put on your headers?
I'm taking everything off, honestly. Those off, and then I gotta take the drive shaft off, and then lose these bolts, and engine should be ready to go.
Sweet. Is it gonna be out today?
Oh yeah, fuck yeah.
Bet. That's Speed Engineering headers. Your throttle body was cable driven?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I told you, mine's is cable, that's the best thing.
Yeah, I know. Sweet. Alright. We're gonna let him do his thing, come back to him in a little bit, so.
When it gets hot, that's it, I can't shift.
For real?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, boy, you need a new slave cylinder.
that should be sticking. Like, I'll make a 3rd gear pull, that's it.
Well, we left the light down there.
Oh yeah.
Good?
No, I got
The
it.
sensor.
Take the sensor
This
as well.
out.
Yeah, put on the second
On
one.
the
So
second one, so we kick it a little bit, right? Go down a little bit more. Okay. Hold on. AC line. Perfectly clear. So you get the picture, squad. That's it. How's the days?
I drove this car in yesterday at 5.
At 5.
Yeah.
I got the motor out today at 2.
My goal was to have it before 12, but I came in, I did oil change, there was other shit.
Worked first, but you got it out fast.
I did 2 cars. I worked on 2 cars and pulled the engine out.
Where are we putting this time?
3 years later, we pull Fidel's motor out. You using this?
No, just doing for show up.
You said what?
You gotta go steal parts off Berto's car now.
You're really not using this.
Look at this shit. It doesn't even fit right. Like, I was looking at it earlier. Look at the gap right here.
You have all the air leaks in this bitch.
And these Jones heat soak like a motherfucker.
Yeah, it's metal. Heat soak. This bitch gonna be turning red when you when you rev that bitch up.
Yeah, no, that's way too
And then
small
this little
too.
ass throttle body space.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I made
alright.
this for you to pour it all the way out to here.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
So, alright, Fidel just said this was a shifter.
I broke my shit racing ISF Lexus.
Let me put this motor in first, so he's been running around with this. This is some DIY shit. We can make a YouTube video out of this. How to make a shifter.
Yeah, man.
Half a tennis ball and some duct tape.
Nah, that's all duct tape.
All duct tape? Oh my god. Alright, well yeah, this shit's going out too. I hope he has a short throw, because he's gonna need it. But it's 6-0, so. This motor has been sitting in the back for like, I think a year or two. Finally got to it. So. Yeah, man. I think we're gonna clean up this engine bay just a little bit. Doesn't have to be squeaky clean. You know, it's not a show car, but just a little bit. We're gonna come back to Fidel. He's gonna take up all the pulley systems, harmonic balancer, water pump, power steering, all that stuff. Meanwhile, John's block just came through. You got space for me on that lift?
Yeah, come on.
Bet. Let's go.
It's like looking at a Christmas present, except we're opening John's for him.
Show folks what you got.
Yo, how y'all gonna open my box before me, man?
Talk to the open the box.
Nah.
So you lied?
Nah, I ain't open up the box. I got it recorded and everything. What y'all do when I was gone?
And we're trying to put the motor in today.
In today?
5.7, there's the 6.0. We're taking everything out of this to put it in here.
Bet.
See, I have a problem right here. Scariest shit ever. Drill your own block. Because the bracket on the 5.7 is different than the 6.0.
Oh,
That's
it
a
don't work?
Truck 6.0.
Oh,
So the
yeah.
alternator look a little
Sit
different.
higher. Yeah, it sits higher.
Yo, this is gonna be the funniest thing. Took me almost 3 years to have this motor on the engine stand. Maybe less than a day to put it together. Alright, I'm gonna take the other one, clean it. From this to this.
Oh, damn. Nope.
Let's try to wipe all this greasy shit. Then we just scrape the brake on it.
This shit will have all oil on it. You're gonna think the motor's leaking oil everywhere. It's not.
We'll let him do his thing, but when he's done, his valve cover should be covering all the rocker arms and the valve springs. Nicely lubed up. We'll go check out Aaron and his nitrous CTSV over here.
Ain't nothing to it but to do it, thug. Yeah, I'm good with that. So we on the dyno when? Thursday? Yeah. Oh, locked in. We gonna come to your house and knock on your door, be like,
I'll be here.
Aaron, come out to play.
I'll be here.
Where's the new coolant temperature sensor? Let's go.
He said it's all good.
It's all good.
God damn. Hey, I hyped him up.
That's why I got that box. So every time I find them, I just put them in there. And then shit like this happens, and then we got a box of drill bits, so you just gotta find one in there that works. I just gave him the smallest one,
So we're gonna
punch it first with a small one.
Drew through that.
You got a light?
One eternity later.
They said it's all possible with Chi.
Here to make moves. That's why we're here.
I mean, snap-on tools, only you gotta use a ratchet.
They warranty them out on the metal.
Yeah.
Ultimately, they ain't going nowhere. So his oil dipstick goes to the pan on his LS1 setup, and on the 6.0s, they go to the block. So we've actually tapped it and stuff. I'm about to thread this down to block off where that would go, so we just don't have oil spewing out. As soon as I find a ratchet.
We're gonna have this block in this car by the end of the night.
27 hearts beat.
We're gonna put it the same way we took it out. I mean, it could go straight because you have no clutch on it. I think we could get it like that. No, come on, just keep coming down, keep coming down, keep coming down.
Go forward.
All right, go forward with the hoist. Come on.
Almost there.
Yeah, you're almost there. Go down, 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 go down. Stop and go back, go in some more. All right, go down now. Perfect, right there. Yeah, I'm in.
Your side, you good?
That's it. Now plug it in though.
Motor's in. LS6 intake is on. Throttle body's on. Cable-driven throttle body. Upper radiator hose going on. Cold air intake, coolant reservoir, fans going in. Yeah, we're gonna turn it on for a bit.
You about to find out.
One more time?
Stay hard. Go ahead. I got the throttle. Just hit the clutch.